I keep forgetting to film this. I don't know why, I just don't. I've been out of the game for a while, and even out of the game for a while, wasn't really even in it, so let me get you caught up to speed. Here is that 4.7 HO for, well, not that, but for the Grand Cherokee. And right now we just torqued these to 40 foot-pounds and then these at 20 foot-pounds. These are at, I believe, if I remember correctly, they're at 25 inch-pounds. And I gotta make sure these are actually where they're supposed to be. So, yeah. It's not, the crank isn't stupid clean. I spent hours just wanting to freaking clean it. But, oh, it's tight. Oh, yeah. Brand new main bearings on there. The pistons that are over there are cleaned and they're ready to go with brand new connecting rod bearings and brand new piston rings, so they'll be in. Now we did put RTV on here, so now that it sat all day, now everything's all torqued down. Just gotta let it sit some more, and I believe I'll take my inch-pound tool that I got right here and get these cap bolts torqued down appropriately, and then we can put the connecting, or then we can put the pistons back in and go from there. So we're gonna be doing shorts instead of probably a full video. We'll see what happens. I still haven't put in freeze plugs in it yet. I haven't really done a whole lot. It's been kind of dinking off with it when I get off work. So, and organizing the garage, and it's a complete freaking mess. Jeep parts and tools everywhere. So, almost like Dan's garage, just more 360 and 318 parts than there are 4-liter parts. Straight sixes stuff. So, more of a V8 guy than the straight six guy, but it is what it is. Alright, I'll get back to it.